what's up guys? It's Elizabeth, and today is just gonna be actually a daily vlog. I'm gonna be starting to do daily vlogs now, and yeah, so today is Thursday, and anything exciting going on? Oh yeah, orientation for school today. I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm praying I get a top locker, so yeah, just praying I get a top locker. So I'll come back when there's something interesting. Bye. Oh my gosh guys, so I did not know that we had coconut oil. So what does that mean? We're gonna try and make some slime. Okay guys. Okay. Obviously, let me set this up. Perfect. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna try to make slime. Probably gonna fail. Who knows? Might not. So I'm gonna actually make this iceberg slime. Oh yeah, and a bunch of my flown beads came in today. Oh, sorry guys. I ordered these little foam balls online, and see, yeah. And this little sticker here, as you see, it says Lizzie and Boo Slimes, which is my Instagram. You should totally go follow. Lizzie and Boo Slimes always plug. Okay, anyways. So yeah. And then I have purple Fanta ones I picked up, and then green ones, but I don't really know where those went. Anyways, we're going to be making slime, you guys. Or at least we're going to be trying to attempt to make slime. Okay. Here's my green foam balls. I put white in it to make it like Sprite. So yeah. So this right here is a ketchup bottle, but it is going to be activator today. So the first thing you will need is probably I think body wash. So I'll be right back guys. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back. I didn't find body wash, so we're gonna try to do this a little bit differently. I have shampoo, so let's see if this works. And then I'm gonna add some coconut oil. Oh, that smells so bad. That smells so freaking bad. I honestly don't think you need that much. I've never smelled coconut oil before, so. And then we have some baking powder. Just gonna poof that in there. Wow, those come in really big chunks. Oh, and some lemonade powder. Oh my god. Lemonade powder. Let's smell it. That smells, I mean, like, it doesn't smell bad, but it's powerful. It has a powerful scent to it. And then some soap, probably. And I like to add the Dawn Blue soap is because, first of all, it makes it smell super good, and it turns it blue. Alright, so this isn't the good consistency that I would like it to be. So, no, it definitely smells like shampoo and lemonade. So we're just gonna add a little bit more lemonade powder. Oh, and baby oil. Can't forget the lovely baby oil. I've actually slipped on this like a bajillion times. And I hate to get it on my hands because like, I don't like how it feels. Like, I know oil is oil, but like, there we go. So, it was kind of a lot. But, yeah. Wow. This is more like an activator. Honestly, this just looks like fluffy slime. I'm gonna add the activator and more baby oil. Let's see what that does. Oh, definitely makes it liquidier. So I think honestly the closest thing I'm gonna get to cornstarch is baking powder. Oh my gosh, I'm just so frustrated. I'm not really frustrated, more just like confused of why this is not turning into slime. Honestly, I'm just gonna add this to my other slime and see what it does. Here's my really hard slime. Like this one breaks super easily. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna make a base practically. Like a zit. Do not watch weak stomach people. Okay. And now it looks like a bunch of organs. Like, look at that. Oh, it's like a little dingly. So guys, if you can, please subscribe to me because I try my hardest to make super lit videos, and trust me guys, I'm gonna make so many more videos, but like, it takes a little. Okay, now I feel like if I just add a little bit more of that in, I can just add foam balls to it. Cause like if I just make it, oh no, 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 no! Cause if I just like make it super sticky, oh gosh, here I go again. Making them look like organs. Oh! Ah! So I thought it was gonna get on the floor. Oh, but it's even worse, and it got on my foot. Oh my gosh, this is so gross. Like, who wants organs as slime? Okay. But I mean, I'm gonna try to get this off my foot now. Ah! Looks like a virus or something got on my foot. Let me sit down. Let's see if this helps. Balloon time! Wow, this actually made it a lot softer. Like, a lot. Because, like, it was hard in the beginning, but now it's, like, super smooth. Okay, guys, I'm going to end it here and make another video. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me for a long time. It's been an 11-minute video now, so I'm going to head out and then just make another video as soon as I post this one. Guys, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys did because I want to totally make more YouTube videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Guys, also, like, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe for me for more content, and also hit the bell if you guys really appreciate my channel. So, yeah, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.